I do a lot of running in order to stay in shape. And I usually order a new pair of shoes every month. I know, you're thinking, Scotty, we really don't care about your exercise routine. Get to the point of the story. Okay, fair enough. I'd like to share a quick story about what happened last year and yesterday with regards to Zappos. Last year, before speaking at CCW, I had the privilege of touring the Zappos facility. It was an eye-opening experience when it came to observing the way the team delivered spectacular customer service. And my tour guide, Rio, he did a phenomenal job. That visit cemented my relationship with Zappos because they try to transform transactions into relationships. Thank you, Rio. Now, 2 days ago, I was ready to order my next pair of shoes, so I logged on to the Zappos app. It was very easy to use, had my favorite shoes saved, and it showed me the points I could convert to dollars to get a discount on this order. Very easy. I picked out a new selection, and immediately a cartoon dog with a cape flew into my cart. It definitely put a smile on my face. Next, I received an email confirming that my order was on its way. The next day, I got a cool picture of an email of the United States showing me where my shoes shipped from and when they would arrive. The following day, I received an email letting me know that these shoes were at my door. Then, I received a thank you and an online survey email asking me how did the shoes fit. The entire process was so much fun, it made me want to order another pair of shoes right away. Make sure your message matches your branding. And at Zappos, that is certainly the case.